This is synchro snoring. Take one. It appears that when men sleep together in the same bed, their snoring synchronizes. Almost like a battle. It is synchronous, yeah, it is. I guess we could say this is the same as women having their periods synchronized when they live together. Another phenomenon. This is crazy. Check this out. This is synchro snoring at its finest. I believe they're battling right now. They've entered the battle stage. Chris is winning. He's up. He's got kind of like a longer snore. It looks like Ernie's kind of quitting. He's kind of quieted down a little bit. It's quite amazing. Let's get in for the action. Let's go for a zoom right now. Here's a zoom. Check out the action. Check it out. Get in there. It's a big kid. Alright, let's go see what's happening on Chris's side. There's not much light over there. Let's go see. Getting in there. Chris has got like the whole nasal cavity working. Beautiful. Yes. Alright, well I'm going to end here. Maybe I'll take another video if it gets a little bit more intense. I don't know. But yeah. Welcome to competitive snoring, synchro snoring, whatever you want to call it. Take one.